Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're breaking down the latest from Google, who just dropped their new Pixel lineup at the Made by Google event. We've got the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and the highly anticipated Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google is bringing out the big guns this year with advanced AI features, sleek new designs, and more color options. So let's dive right in and see what each of these phones has to offer. First up, the Pixel 9. This is Google's entry-level option in the new lineup, but don't let that fool you. Priced at $799, it comes packed with the Tensor G4 chip and includes Gemini AI out of the box. The Pixel 9 is designed for those who want a premium experience without a pro-level price tag. Moving up the ladder, we have the Pixel 9 Pro, priced at $999, almost $1,000. This phone brings everything you love about the Pixel 9 but adds a larger display, more RAM, and an extra camera lens for the 5x telephoto zoom, giving you the ultimate photography experience. The Pixel 9 Pro is also powered by the Tensor G4 chip and integrates Gemini AI deeply into the phone's user experience. Finally, there's a showstopper. This is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This is Google's most ambitious device yet, with a starting price of $1799. It features the thinnest foldable design on the market, measuring 0.4 inches when closed. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with the same Tensor G4 chip and Gemini AI, making it as powerful as it's versatile. Whether you're multitasking on an 8-inch internal display or checking out notifications on the 6.3-inch external display, this foldable is all about combining productivity with portability. Now, the color options. Google is giving us some stylish new options this year. We have Obsidian Black, which is a classic choice that gives off a sleek, professional vibe. Porcelain White with gold tones. The Pixel 9 also comes in a more vibrant hazel option, adding a bit more of flair to the lineup. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the specs. All three models are equipped with the Tensor G4 chip, which powers everything from the camera to AI-driven tasks with real-time translation and photo edit. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro Fold both feature a triple lens camera system with a 5x telephoto lens and up to 20x super res zoom, perfect for those detailed zoomed in shots. In terms of storage, you've got options ranging from 256 GB to 512, and all models come with a 16 GB of RAM. The Pro models also feature a slightly larger battery to support their bigger displays, additional features. You may ask yourself, but what really sets these phones apart this year is really the AI. Google has packed in some serious AI firepower with its Gemini AI, which is deeply integrated into every aspect of the phone. One of the coolest features is the new Pixel Studio app. Now, this app lets you create AI-generated content or art right on your device using simple text prompts. Imagine generating memes, custom images, or even quick sketches for social media posts. There's also a new screenshots app that automatically organizes and scans your screenshots, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for without scrolling through endless images. And about the camera visor design, it's a bit polarized. Some people love it, some people just don't, but there's no denying it. It gives the phone a very unique look. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or just someone looking for a powerful, user-friendly smartphone, the Pixel 9 lineup has something for you. And with prices starting at $799 for the Pixel 9, $999 for the Pixel 9 Pro, and $1,799 for the Fold, these devices are positioned to compete with Samsung and Apple. So are you excited about the new Pixel 9 series? Which models are you eyeing? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification so you don't miss any of the upcoming reviews and comparisons. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.